Hi there. Welcome back. Are you one of those who feel that your brain is unable to process the different types of tenses? We know of many who feel so. We are here to help you master your tenses. We will be learning tenses across few videos as it is a vast topic. We will be covering 6 tenses in this video. The other 6 tenses will be covered in other videos. The 6 tenses are present tense, also called as simple present tense. Past tense, which is also called as simple past tense. Future tense. Present continuous tense, also called as present progressive tense. Past continuous tense, known as past progressive tense as well. And future continuous tense, known as future progressive tense as well. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words laid out in a logical manner which makes perfect sense. So, sense plus tense equals sentence, which means that if a group of words is not in the proper tense, then there is no sense and then it is not a sentence. Do tenses become a confusion because of the manner in which verbs are used? Absolutely. Are verbs only action words? Yes, they are action words. But verbs are not action words only. There are other types of verbs as well. For this lesson, we would be only looking at verbs as action words and helping verbs. Any word that shows an action or work being done are called action or doing verbs. They are also called as main verbs. We have listed some action words for you. Helping verbs are of 2 types. Let's look at the first one. They are auxiliary verbs. They help us to express the verb in the correct tense in a sentence. There are 3 common types of auxiliary verbs. These auxiliary verbs can be used in different forms. Here they are. 1. To be verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being. 2. To have verbs. Has, had, have, having. 3. To do verbs. Do, does, did. The second type of helping verbs are called modal verbs. They help us to show possibility, ability, suggestion, necessity, or permission. There are 9 modal verbs in English. They are 1. Can, 2. Could, 3. May, 4. Might, 5. Will, 6. Would, 7. Shall, 8. Should, 9. Must. What are helping verbs used for? They help the main verb, or action verbs, by adding details to it. Let's look at simple present tense. When we talk about something that is happening currently or at the moment. Example: Josh plays football. Martha keeps her shoes in the shoe rack. Dad goes to the market every day. The train runs on the railway track. In these sentences, we have used the action words, main verbs, in their simplest forms. The verbs in the above sentences are in red. Let's look at present continuous tense. When we talk about a continuous action which is happening in the present. Example: Josh is eating his dinner now. They are playing in the morning. Mom said she is going to the market shortly. I am driving the car. All the above examples indicate that is continuously happening now. Can you see some letters and words in yellow? We will get to that in a second. It is very easy to understand present continuous tense. Just follow the formula given. Is, or, am, or are. Add present form of verb to it and then follow it by ing. Let's look at the examples we saw earlier. Look at how we have used the formula for present continuous tense here. Pause the video and have a look. It is now time to have a look at the past tense. When we talk about something that has already happened, we say it in past tense. Example: Josh ate his dinner before I did. They played in the morning. Mom went to the market yesterday. He wrote that letter a month ago. All the above examples indicate that something happened earlier and not at the present moment. Let's learn past continuous tense. When we talk about a continuous action that happened in the past, it is the past tense form of present continuous tense. Example: Josh was eating his dinner before I did. They were playing in the morning. Mom said she was going to the market yesterday. My friends were shouting. All the above examples indicate that something happened in a continuous form in the past. It is simple to understand past continuous tense. Just follow the formula given: was or were. Add present form of verb to it and then follow it by ing. Let's have a look at the examples again. Check the yellow letters and words. When we talk about future tense, it is something that has not yet happened or something that will happen in the future. Example: Josh will eat his dinner before I do. They will play in the morning. Mom will go to the market shortly. He will write a letter tomorrow. All the above examples indicate that something hasn't happened yet. They will happen in the future. The key word here is will. Future continuous tense is the future tense form of the present continuous tense. Example: Josh will be eating his dinner before I do. They will be playing in the morning. Mom will be going to the market shortly. He will be writing a letter tomorrow. All the above examples indicate that something hasn't happened yet. They will happen in the future in a continuous form. Now that you are used to it, you would have realized that the formula for future continuous tense is will be. Add present form of verb to it and then follow it by ing. Let's go back and have a look at the examples once again. Let's have a quick test. Challenge yourself. Read the sentences. Change them into the sentences given in the bracket. As this is self-paced, pause the video, do the question, and then move forward. Bob plays football at his friend's house. Change to present continuous. The answer is, Bob is playing football at his friend's house. We go to church on Sunday. Change to future continuous. The answer is, we will be going to church on Sunday. Abel is eating. Change to past continuous. The answer is, Abel was eating. Dad is going fishing tomorrow. Change to future continuous. The answer is, Dad will be going fishing tomorrow. The pony rides well at competitions. Change to present continuous tense. Here's the answer. The pony is riding well at competitions. Hope we have been able to help you clear your concepts on these 6 tenses. If you need further assistance, please visit our website, febbystutorials.co.uk. We have a live chat option there via WhatsApp. We will revert ASAP. See you soon with another topic.